going?
To get a new truck.
Today we are getting the Dewy truck. Let's not judge her. She has been very well loved. Has a lot of miles on her, but a new transmission. And she's a Dewy color. So let's get ready and see.
From my great grandma.
I know.
Right? That makes them so much cooler. We can have them in our house hang.
I should do the green blazer suit jackets. I don't know. Nina, what do you think? What one should Bonnie wear? Or this one? I like this one too. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. What about?
My makeup's in the car, so I'll have to do it in the car.
Alright, I don't think I need anything else. I got my year license.
It's frozen.
I'm so excited. My friend.
Out in the boom. Alright guys, Dewy does it. We got a truck.